Good Tuesday afternoon, everybody. Meteorologist Greg Majestic back with you here in the North Georgia Majestic Weather Studios with your weather update here on your June 10th, 2025. Now, before we get going, we always like to say thank you and welcome aboard to any new followers here on the page. And if you're not yet officially a follower, please go down to the comments section. You're going to find the link to the main Facebook page and make sure you give our main page a like to become an official follower. Now, if you happen to be watching the broadcast over on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're alerted on future content. Well, today, I got to say, I don't think the models did a very good job as far as the cloud cover for today or the rain chances, to be honest with you. I think they underestimated that just a little bit. Now, tomorrow's looking better, but it's still a little unsettled out there for right now. I'm going to show you why here in just a second. Let's go ahead and take a live look up at Brasstown Ball. They're still stuck up in the clouds there at 4,700 feet. Definitely a cloudy kind of gray day here. Checking over toward Delina, got a few more breaks in the clouds here. It was a little cloudier earlier, but we're getting a little more sunshine here, breaking out here at the University of North Georgia campus there. But again, a little more cloud cover than was anticipated, and we're also seeing a little more rain activity, especially here down toward Metro Atlanta. Here you're seeing the showers, got scattered showers here that'll be coming into town. Very spotty up across North Georgia, so isolated is about what we expected there, but I think we're seeing a little more activity here down toward the metro area than what we were expecting. All right, let's go ahead and look at the big picture here. Here's that stationary boundary. That's what's responsible for this. Now, this thing's going to shift a little bit further south, and tomorrow we're going to have one pretty decent day here. A lot of sunshine, a little bit lower humidity expected across the area, and then we're going to see the rain chances come back, and they're going to come back at us big time with high rain chances going right into this upcoming weekend. All right, so let's look at the regional satellite. Look at all the thunderstorms here back over toward Texas, Louisiana, going all the way along the Gulf Coast there. And you've seen some of the thunderstorms there coming across Alabama into Georgia right now, and some thunderstorms over into the Carolinas. So definitely a little bit unsettled across the southeast, to say the least. Now, for tomorrow, the good news is not expecting any thunderstorms. Notice the general thunderstorm threats down here to the south and no severe weather for a change. We'll definitely take that. But looking pretty good here across North Georgia and Alabama, at least for one more day before those rain chances will sneak back at us. Now, as we go ahead and take a look at what's going on with our regional model right now, again, Wednesday's looking pretty good, but Wednesday night might see a few showers try to sneak up in here across North Georgia, and then we'll see a scattered threat coming into Thursday as well. So, again, that not looking too bad, but then the rain chances are going to really spike to like 80% or so through the weekend. So we're really going to be kind of wet and damp here. So enjoy tomorrow. Get outside and enjoy some pretty good weather. Humidity's not going to be that bad, and it'll feel pretty good in the morning and then pretty nice in the afternoon. So just get ready for some unsettled weather here for the days ahead that we're going to have to deal with this unsettled weather pattern. I think we're going to get a change past the 16th of the month. I see some ridging taking place as we head toward the beginning of summer, like heading toward the 20th, and then I think we'll see things begin to settle down a little bit. All right, so let's go ahead and look at your forecast maps here. I'm going to go ahead and put this into relative motion, I guess you could say here, briefly. Kind of watch as I kind of highlight this going in toward tomorrow morning. So we got that stationary boundary there down to our south. So we're looking pretty good here. We got high pressure into this zone. So we'll get a little bit of nice weather here across the region here for at least one more day. But then the rain chances are going to start coming back at us here as we go into Thursday. Thursday morning looking bad, but here comes Friday. Looking a little damp there. I think we'll see some activity late Thursday afternoon as well. Saturday, looking at the rain threat. Sunday, looking at the rain threat. And looking into Monday as well. So it looks like all 3 days looking at some pretty decent rain chances. And now continue straight into Tuesday as well. So the rain chances will fluctuate day to day as they always do. So just make sure you have that umbrella handy here ready for the next week or so as our wet and rainy spring is going to kind of continue. We were kind of above normal on precipitation. That's going to continue. But tomorrow is a nice day. Check that out. 63-86 there in the Gainesville area. Looking very nice. Elsewhere like this, again, any evening showers will come to an end tonight. We'll see mostly clear skies. Look at these temperatures, pretty nice. North Georgia mountains here, upper 50s. We'll see low 60s. So pretty comfortable, pretty nice here for not bad for almost the middle of June. Looking pretty good here. And then daytime highs, low to mid 80s up in the mountains, middle to upper 80s here everywhere else, near 90. But the one thing you're going to notice is the humidity's not going to be quite as bad. It might be warm, but the humidity's going to be down just a little bit. Sunny skies looking pretty good here on your Wednesday. Regionally looking like this, Nashville up at 90 degrees, 89 in Memphis. High rain chances will be concentrated down here toward the south, so anybody going down to the Gulf Coast to just plan on those thunderstorms. 89 in Mobile, 89 in Destin, 90 degrees over into Columbia. Next 7 days, I wish I had better forecast for you, but rain chances coming up to 30% on Thursday, so Wednesday, Thursday, not too bad. And then we're up to 70, 70, 80, 80, and back down to 50 as we head toward Tuesday next week. But pretty decent rain chances straight through next week. We're going to keep the temperatures there in the middle 80s, overnight lows. Nice, like I said, for Wednesday morning, but we're going to climb back into the upper 60s to right around 70 degrees as we wrap up the rest of the work week and go into a bit of an unsettled weather pattern. Now, what I'm saying, we got high rain chances, yes, but I don't think it's going to be like a washout type weekend type stuff. Just know you got a high chance of rain covering a pretty decent area, but again, not going to be like one of those washout things. You just have to plan on it, especially late afternoon into the evening hours. You know the drill when we get those showers and thunderstorms to come at us. All right, that is y'all's update for now. Again, appreciate you guys checking out the channel. And as always, please help us grow this channel. We need your all's help. You know, I can only do so much with my advertising budget. I don't have a lot of money to pull with, so I got to grow this thing organically. So please hit that follow button. And of course, if you're over on YouTube, we'd like you to subscribe over there. That's the verbiage over that way. All right, that's y'all's update for today. You guys take it easy, be good, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.